My first day of school. The first day of school is a memorable and significant event in the life of every child. It marks the beginning of a journey into the world of education, learning, and making new friends. This article recounts my own first day of school, the emotions I felt, and the experiences that left a lasting impression. The night before my first day of school was filled with a mix of excitement and nervousness. I laid out my school uniform and backpack, ensuring everything was in order. My parents reassured me and shared their own school memories. As I arrived at school, I was greeted by a sea of unfamiliar faces. I nervously approached a group of children who would soon become my friends. We shared stories about our summer vacations and realized we had common interests. The classroom. Walking into the classroom, I was amazed by the colorful posters and educational materials adorning the walls. My teacher, who would play a significant role in my early education, welcomed me with a warm smile. She introduced us to the class rules and the exciting activities we would engage in. One of the first lessons was learning the alphabet. I remember the teacher using colorful flashcards to teach us the ABCs. It was the beginning of our journey into the world of reading and writing. Recess was a much anticipated time of the day. We ran to the playground, played on the swings, and formed new friendships. It was during these breaks that I truly felt the joy of school life. As the school day came to an end, I walked back home with a sense of accomplishment. My parents eagerly awaited my return and listened attentively as I shared my experiences. The first day of school had come to an end, marking the start of an exciting adventure that would shape my future. My first day of school is a cherished memory that I hold close to my heart. It was the beginning of a lifelong journey of learning, growth, and the discovery of new friendships. The experiences of that day continue to influence my approach to education and my appreciation for the opportunities it provides.